None of the stoplights are working at this time. I am at the Utah State Capitol. I'm on State Street and 400 South, and there's a lot of debris on the road here. And I'm also noticing the side streets off of State Street, the stoplights are not working. So I'm now heading east off of State Street. Looks like we have a tree that's down right here. I just passed a couple more down trees, and it looks like here's a cop car here with just lights flashing. There's a down tree here in the road. And there's more down trees there in front of me. Oh wow, that street had a lot of down trees. Sorry for moving this camera around so fast. There's some down trees in the park up to the right of me. Right now I'm heading south on 700 East. And I'm about 700 south right now. It looks like some big trees went down on the left side of the road over there. So going forward, the audio might be in a real poor state with this wind. I'm parked right here. I'm off of 5th East, probably about 800 south or so, I'm not really sure. But you can see right here in this person's backyard, there's a tree down right there. This tree's down. Across the street, there's branches down. And then Liberty Park is just right in front of me, just east of me. I have to still watch for branches that might fall down. Wow, this is pretty amazing. We're still getting pretty heavy gusts. I'm gonna try to walk in the middle of this road and watch the trees. You can see here that the root system pulled up the cement, the sidewalk. Some strong winds just started up again. Some more down trees. gosh. You can see branches scattered everywhere. These little scooters has been blown around. They're down everywhere. There's one there. There's one over there. There's another one down over there. Oh man, that wind is starting to pick up again. Oh my word. Well, I'm having some strong gust of wind hit me now. You can smell this pine. You can see the ground has been raised up. I'm getting pelleted by leaves and debris. So this tree's about ready to go down. You can see the ground there, it's moving slightly. If a big gust of wind comes, this tree's probably gonna fall. Here in the park, these trees are still falling. Gentleman over behind me says, over out in front of me, about 4 trees just recently went down. And there's possibly 2 here that might go down if a strong gust comes. They're leaning pretty bad and the ground's raising up. I'm on Denver Street, which is 440 East, and Harvard Avenue, which is 1100 South. So I'm going to show you another street. You can see just the trees everywhere. I'm a couple blocks down from Liberty Park, but this is everywhere like this. Down trees, branches everywhere. Oh, there's a tree down on the house I just went past on the roof. There's a down tree right there. As you can see here in front of me, here's a down tree that's just totally blocking the street. Here, there's another big pine tree that's down in front of this house. So I'm at the City County building downtown. That's a down tree, I think, right there in front of me. And you got a bunch of trees down there. That's pretty amazing too. Wow. And there's trees down across the street at the courthouse. And it's 12:45 p.m. So now I'm in a little further west in the valley. This is 900 west that I'm coming up to. And this is 400 north, and you can see across from me there is a big tree blocking the road. So you know, I'm away from Liberty Park right now. Liberty Park was 700 east and about 1300 south. This is 900 west and 400 north. Yeah. So I'm heading north on 900 west, and all the traffic lights are off here. There's a tree that's down. There's a lot of debris in the road. There's a down tree. It's branches all over the road here. Oh my word, there's a tree blocking the road down here. Wow. The awnings, the car awnings are all blown over, or a lot of them are. And the thing is, this damage is from Salt Lake City, and it goes north. You know, Salt Lake City, this is Rose Park, goes into North Salt Lake, Bountiful, Kaysville, you know, all the way up to Weber Canyon. I don't know if this guy's afraid to go through or what. Wow. I did not realize how much damage was down here. Someone's already been down here cutting some of these branches, trying to make enough room to go through. That roof is peeled off somewhat of that building. Well, you know, they did say we had some hurricane force winds. Well, looking down these side streets too, I didn't realize it was this bad even down here. Oh my word, the street on the left side just has down trees everywhere. Okay, these people need to move a little over so we can get through. Oh my word. Oh my word, these side streets just have down trees everywhere. Man, I did not realize it was this bad down in this area. So now I'm on 1100 north or 1000 north and probably 1100 west. Look down that street. Oh my word. Oh my word. I cannot believe the damage. This is pretty bad. And this was just all done by wind. Actually from this morning. Okay, come on, guy. Or gal, I'm sorry, gal. And this is my backup camera. My other camera's battery died. So this doesn't have the wide angle. I'm just amazed looking down some of these side streets, the devastation or the amount of trees that are just toppled on both sides. Okay, this is Colorado Street, 1340 West and 1000 North. Okay, now it doesn't look so bad. I can't believe the damage behind me. This Flying J sign has been ripped apart.